Welcome to the world of homemade antennas. In this guide, we will explore the fascinating realm of homemade antennas that offer exceptional performance. Homemade antennas provide an exciting opportunity to access a multitude of channels in high definition. Join us as we delve into the world of homemade antennas and unlock the secrets to enjoying a wide range of HD channels with ease. You'll need a splitter and a pen. Start by cutting the pen in half so it can adapt to both outputs of the splitter. After cutting the pen, make sure the cut ends are smooth and firm. Use a lighter to heat and soften the ends of the pen. Once the ends are prepared, insert the pen firmly into the splitter outputs. This will ensure a secure and stable connection. For the construction of the circular dipole, we will need an aluminum or copper wire with the following specifications: 80 cm long and 2 mm in diameter. It is preferable to bend both ends of the wire approximately 3 cm to ensure a more stable connection. Once the wire is prepared, we will proceed to form the circular dipole with a diameter of 23 cm. It is important to be precise at this stage to guarantee optimal performance. After completing the construction of the circular dipole, we will create two straight sections of 6 cm at each end. This will allow us to easily connect the dipole to other devices or components in our system. It is crucial to maintain focus throughout the process to ensure the accuracy and quality of our circular dipole.
you.